what would you say are some things that are just red flags that nobody should have, right? Like if you're looking at the ingredients in your makeup or in things that you say, I don't care if you're blue, yellow, or purple, like nobody needs to have this ingredient in their skincare or in their products. What would you say those are?
Yeah, that's a perfect question. That's actually like the best question you could ask me, because I do have a background in Gen Chem, Organic Chem, and Biochem. And so I really pull on that to help me understand which ingredients we need to avoid putting in our bodies, on our bodies, based on like if they're hormone disruptors or not. So for example, chemical sunscreens. Chemical filters are like your avobenzone, your oxybenzone. Countries and places in the world are starting to ban them because they kill coral reefs, but they also disrupt our hormones. And there's tons of studies out there. And so these are the type of chemical filter sunscreens that you'll find mixed in with, say, a sunscreen slash moisturizer, or a foundation that has sunscreen in it. So just because you see something that has an SPF factor in it doesn't actually mean that it's good for you. And it's actually scary that a lot of these really bad ingredients for our body are readily available in products. However, you can buy cigarettes if you wanted to, or you could get that fast food if you wanted to, but it doesn't mean that just because it's available and it's Health Canada or FDA approved, there's a lot of really bad things out for you.